The next day.
Fresh up, running on me. Keep on doing me slowly. The dirty wine, would you burn it for me? Look at picture and just sleep. I need a feeling more than this is. You'll be there, reason I stay. When you ain't girl, you make me say. Ooh, I'm fine. Because this, you know. Never met a bad man like this, you know. And I make a man see like this, you know. You say I'm fine like Starboy, Reese, you know. I had a feeling more than this is. You'll be there, reason I stay. When you ain't girl, you make me say. Ooh, I'm fine.
Hey chums, welcome back to the channel.
Yeah.
Hata sisi tuko hapa tunajikaribisha.
Guys, it's been a minute.
So this week has been a good week. Nilimaliza internship on Monday.
Na mimi nikamaliza
exams leo. So we have been tuna touch up tu kwenye tumemaliza. Then meona maintenance kidogo, the hair sawa. And then today I'm so excited. As you have seen, I've gotten my dream on. She has waited, baby. I've waited for some time. So thank you
the universe and
the universe. Thank you so much. So charms, this brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much guys for the support. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Until next time, peace.